Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon. Polygon is one of these charts that has really suffered in this entire market, in this entire cycle. We've been witnessing here long corrections. All the attempts to turn around to the upside have failed. And I don't really have a very bullish perspective on Polygon, even though just looking at it from a technical point of view, ignoring other charts, it is entirely possible that the price is forming a low in this region or has already formed it. For me to really believe that, I want to see, however, confirmation for an uptrend to take place. And that would mean I need to see these 5 waves to the upside and a 3-wave move down. Might even take us into the current price region again. But this 5-wave move up is needed from a chart point of view for a confirmation that a low is in. Better would be even in the same 5-wave sequence to even take out the previous swing high that formed there in November at around 80 cents, just below that. Currently, obviously, we're trading around 25 cents, so you see that a lot of work is needed to even, let's say to even give us further signals that the bulls are starting to take the lead or attempt to take the lead here. So the 5-wave sequence is needed because from a more bearish point of view, it's entirely possible that we're working here on a larger B wave to the downside. That would be a similar wave structure. It would simply extend more instead of having completed 5 waves down. This pattern would be seen as an extended 5-wave move, like a diagonal structure, in which this is a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we could go down once more to potentially test 9.4 cents to 3.7 cents, which would be a disaster for most people who still hold Polygon. Let's take a look at the short-term chart for Polygon. It tells us how is it actually looking on the nano level, right? Is there any potential for the bulls to take the lead? And I have the impression Polygon is frozen. Don't know what's going on here, but we're still holding without really being affected by any of the movements in the sector. So you can see that we're currently holding around 25.5 cents here. You also see what is needed to complete these 5 waves. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But there isn't really much going on there. I mean, is this another 1-2 setup? Highly speculative. To really get a first real indication that we are pushing higher here and break out of the local range in which we've been really since April, I need to see a break above the green line at around 27.9 cents. And then the market could be moving towards 38 cents. That would be the first ideal target for this 3rd wave. And then, the wave 4 should avoid a break into the wave 1 price region. And the 5th wave should take us to, 45 cents plus. But I already said to you, it would be great to get a break above that 78 cent level, but don't think we'll get that. Even if we get 5 waves, that would be a bit more. There's more work needed. For now, the market continues to range. We have reactions to micro support levels, right? So I am tracking potentially short-term bullish structures on the smaller time frame, but while the chart is prepared, the bulls aren't really showing up. Okay. So please note that unless we really get these 5 waves to the upside here as per the white scenario, any long-term upside scenario is highly speculative. I think we can get potentially some short-term upside, and if we get 5 waves, even better, then I will add support for circle wave 2 to the chart. That's the update on Polygon. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.